It starts tomorrow. One funnel away challenge coming up. Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. If you want to cut the commute and grow your income from home, start by hitting the subscribe button and ring the bell notification to all so you never miss a video. This video, we're going to be talking about the One Funnel Away Challenge. I'm starting it tomorrow. It's a 30-day challenge to get you to build the funnel that you need to grow your income online. Why the One Funnel Away Challenge? As I've been studying a lot of the different materials on ClickFunnels, I've realized that the quickest way to get to the income I need to reach my goals, I need to do it through a proven software and proven steps by 6, 7, and 8-figure earners that have actually walked the line and given the education back out to other people. And that's what the One Funnel Away Challenge is to teach you the fundamentals you need to actually grow a sustainable online business. I discovered the One Funnel Away Challenge after reading a few things like .com Secrets from Russell Brunson. You can pick up a copy of this down in the description below. I don't want to hold you up anymore. Let's jump on the computer and take a look at some of the awesome benefits that you're going to get if you take this challenge with me. Before we jump into the members area right here, what we'll do is take a look at the actual sales page. So how would you like us to hold you by the hand as you launch your first or next funnel? Now these start up every few weeks. There's a large package that comes with it. The digital version of this is $100, but well worth the investment. Russell Brunson, Boise, Idaho. What does one funnel away mean for you? For everyone, it's different. For some of you, you're in a job that you hate. You're trying to get out. For others, you are entrepreneurs with your own company, but you're stuck and you're not sure why. And for others of you, you're looking for that one funnel that will help you to have more impact in the world. Before I share with you my goals of the One Funnel Away Challenge for you, let me ask you some questions. So it gives you a questionnaire. That just lays it out. It gives you a questionnaire here. It goes down and says, this is what it looks like. It costs $100 for the digital package for 30 days, but you get so much more than what it's worth. This is everything you get. 30 days of video missions from Russell Brunson, $997. 30 days of coaching with Stephen Larson, Julie Stone, One Funnel Away Challenge customized kit, okay, the 30-day plan, a bonus physical copy of the workbook. This is if you get not the digital version, but the hard package, which is $120. A bonus MP3 player, hardcover book, unlimited access for 30 days of the 30-day interviews, those are all 2 Comma Club members, people that have earned over $1 million in a funnel, in one funnel. I'm going to ask you to accept the challenge. You just click there and it'll go to the sales page. This is what that One Funnel Away kit looks like. If you get the hard version, these are all the things here. I didn't get that. I just went with the solid $100 digital version. I didn't need all that. And let me show you what that is. So this is everything here, a lot of the testimonials. So I'll jump back into the members area. So this is the members area. It gives you mission, support, One Funnel Away. Right here, the One Funnel Away, mission training. Now this is just the pre-missions. Each day you'll have pre-assignments, and there's also a secret area, which is a group that's created, and it actually goes away after the challenge. It's a Facebook group that is just everyone that's involved. The group, and it has 6,000 people in it right now. Let's see. So I'll give you an example. You Must Believe. It gives you a video training by Russell Brunson. You'll get a downloaded PDF that you can grab here. You can print this, or you can type on it. It gives you your mission. It's about belief. A lot of the pre-training is about mindset and false beliefs. You fill out your fears and all that stuff. Through here, you'd fill all this out and give yourself a schedule. It's really almost militant. This dude, Stephen Larson, but he's the coach for this, and he's super, super intense. Super intense. And he says that he's not going to be nice during this mission because we're all adults here and we're trying to build businesses. And then you get these cool little mission notes. So they break down all the coaching that you get in this. And this isn't just the coaching. That's the pre-training before you even start. It's got these cool doodles, really interactive. Get your family to join in. It goes over the notes. There. Okay. So again, this video is about the warm-up. Also, these are all of the 2 Comma Club members where you get their 30-day plan. So if they lost everything, what they would do, you'll get exactly what they would do to restart and rebuild their business, and you get access to a PDF version of all this. So it's all written. You can just listen to it passively through your headphones. You can watch the videos. You can print this out. Whatever it takes to get you motivated to go. Now, another way to access this, I want to give this little bonus here, is if you're uncertain about the $100, you could check this out. This is the lead funnels. It's only $7. It's the same as the actual .com secrets book. It's only $7. Well, the .com secrets book is free, but it's $7 shipping. This is $7 to get these swipes. And what they are is just tested funnels that Russell Brunson has done and other people have done that make multiple six figures. This funnel here is over 185,372 leads. To jump into this, it's an ebook. Go over this. It's 114 unique lead funnels you can model to build a list and generate leads to create prospects who are ready and willing to buy from you. So it goes over some basic trainings that you need here, how to create an actual lead magnet and how easy it can be, how to implement it. There's some actual great material in this on creating an audio book and just breaking down how simple it can be. Audio recordings, a lead magnet can be as simple as like a free training or a YouTube video that you've already done that's unlisted. Say you can't get it ranked. It's a high quality thing that you've done. It's great information, but you can't get it ranked so people aren't seeing it. Give it away as your lead magnet in your funnel. That way you get, dual uses for it. It's that simple. He explains all that here, and then he gives you some of the funnels and their hooks. Let's see, we'll go down a little bit further. Again, this is only $7. So we'll go down to the Marketing Secrets Black Book here. He just took a list of all of his best podcasts and put it into a PDF in two different versions. The binge guide and the black book, they're the same exact thing. They're just formatted slightly different. He gives you the hook. He gives you the story and the offer and what it would say on the thank you page. You can use this whole thing as just a template. And he gives you a link to where you could find it. So you can go through the funnel and model everything. It's only $7 to get access to all of this, all right? So the next thing you can do is click on the video that's on the screen right now if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing online business trainings to get yourself going, to help you monetize your channel or your business, or to help you get more money coming in for your home, for your family, to feed those mouths, to grow those investments, and have the future that you deserve.